When we speak about digital marketing in general, each single action of appreciation that you can get from your audience is valuable. A like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, a repost on Instagram, all of these things are huge. However, that is just one big asset that you can have online, and that is your email list. We mentioned how popular social media sites are, especially for Facebook and Twitter. We talked about millions of users. This translates into millions of different types of posts and content that a user could easily get distracted with on this kind of sites. Their email box instead is a much quieter place. When you send someone an email, you're playing with your own rules. You create your content in the way you wish to create it, and your imagination is literally your only limit. There is also a debate going on as to whether social media, or at least the ones that are most popular now, are here to stay or just a fad. Whatever the correct answer is, only time will tell. But one thing is certain, emails are here to stay. But how should you use email communication to build and strengthen a bond with your customers? First of all, pay strong attention to the first email you send, the so-called welcome email that welcomes users to the mailing list. The email should authentically reflect your own personality. Be you. This will be useful to the subscriber to understand what kind of content he's going to receive from you and what he or she should generally expect from you. Always remind your subscribers that you are there for them. Don't make people forget about you. If they get an email from you after 3 months of silence, they might not remember who you are at all and quickly unsubscribe from your list. And you don't want that to happen. We also said multiple times that marketing, any type of marketing, is an exchange, which means that somebody gives you their email address and you need to give them some value in return. Give them an ebook in exchange for their email, give them any other downloadable resources or any other valuable content that is only available to subscribers. Keep your promise. Don't say that something is exclusively available to subscribers and then you just post it on your blog for everyone to download. Respect your subscribers and reward them, and you'll gain their trust. If you're uncertain about what topics are most appealing to your audience, there's a really helpful tool that is called BuzzSumo that lets you see what articles are the most popular on any site. If you don't have a large number of articles yet on your blog, you can simply take a look at the most popular posts on your competitor's blog to get an idea of what you could be writing about. Okay, so now you know what you should write in your emails, but how do you get people to sign up? First of all, you need a dedicated sign up page on your blog. You can specify there what kind of content people are going to receive by signing up, and maybe what kind of downloadable resources, and of course include the sign up form. Don't use the classic sign up button. Write something more original. If people are going to get an ebook if they sign up, then write send me the ebook. But this is just an example. Also, place your form on different areas of your blog. Place it at the end of articles, place it on your blog sidebar, anywhere provided that people can see it. A great way to get subscribers is through this plugin. It basically adds a completely customizable pop-up window to your WordPress blog. All users who are about to close their browser window and leave your blog will see that. Pop-ups simply work. Many people hate them because they believe they are intrusive and annoying, but this plugin here is not intrusive at all. Trust me, give it a try. Another strategy might be that of adding to your email signature a link to your sign-up page. You can also collect emails in person if you attend events, but obviously make sure you have permission to do so. Okay, now you know how to collect emails and what kind of emails to send to your subscribers. But how can you technically create a list and send out email updates? You can use various services to do so, but my most favorite is MailChimp. MailChimp is totally free until you reach 2,000 subscribers, which is great to start off with. Just like WordPress, MailChimp is incredibly popular on the web, and there are so many awesome tutorials to learn how to use it. Check out the lecture resources for a list of links to my favorite ones. One last tip I want to leave you with is select your subscribers. Having a limit of 2,000 subscribers for the free plan means that each subscriber has a cost for you if you go above that amount, so be selective. We said that you should be particularly authentic in your first email, and that's true also because of this. Don't try to appeal everyone just because you want to grow your list. Do it smartly. Try to appeal to the right people, only to those that could potentially convert into actual customers.